Hey, I think we're on a roll now with day 2 of the DevOps Enterprise Summit. Am I right? It's almost time for the break, so I want to share some things to know before you go. The breakout talks will start after the break at 12:50 p.m. London time. Check out Vendor Dome at 1:50 p.m. London time. A couple of our sponsors are talking about how you can accelerate delivery without compromising security. Sound too good to be true? Head to Vendor Dome to find out more. We have the networking time and networking opportunities starting at 3:55 p.m. London time with Birds of a Feather. Remember, the Birds of a Feather sessions will be in the Birds of a Feather room in Gather, so head there if you want to participate. Visit our sponsors in the virtual expo hall and check out the games for fun and prizes. And be back here for more plenary talks starting at 5:15 p.m. London time. During the afternoon breakouts, you have a fantastic opportunity to accelerate your own leadership journey with Admiral John Richardson and Captain Emily Bassett. They'll share their experiences and wisdom with leader development from their time in the U.S. Navy and how you might apply those experiences for yourself. We have another special Birds of a Feather session today on software supply chain security, and it's hosted by Dr. Stephen McGill. We just heard his mini lecture on that topic, and he'll also be part of Vendor Dome today. If you're interested in learning more about how to secure your software supply chain, then join the session during the networking time in the Birds of a Feather room in Gather. It will be in the space in the top right corner of that room. During the breaks, explore the virtual hallway track for the summit in Gather to connect with sponsors, speakers, and your fellow travelers. And remember, the Dockside Bar is always open. Well, that's it for now. There's lots to learn out there. Go make the most of the opportunity.